use cone and like block off the spot. Whenever somebody move out at the parking spot, I use cone and block it off so that in the morning, Canadians can come and dig up the road and do what they want to do. You see me? So, me used to go there in my car and park in a spot and, you know, wait till whatever people move them cone off the area. Sometimes I go to the area cone off already. I just have to just stay in my car till morning. I did start fuck this girl. Yo. Start fuck this girl and I tell her, so I start carry the girl. Go work with me, cause the girl was mostly like 18. She now walk. Nothing all she want to do is give me some pussy. And I used to carry her go work with me summer night them. I have my blanket them in a car. You see me? Big blanket car, winter time and the time cool, you see me? Security can work with me. Fuck, sleep, fuck, till morning. The morning time I drop her off and go on my yard. Bumbleclot. Wild. Anyway, Kijani in a building. Kijani have a song named Make Cash. You see me? Every day we make cash. I like the song Body to Work. Work, she a work too, man. She used to come and work with me and work. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, was a proper drunkro. You see me? So, boy, my baby mother go through it. May I tell you, go through it, dog. Right now, me just a bill. You see me? Just a bill and a cruise right now. But Sunday. Be things. It's a eagle. Yeah. So what I do want to tell you about is, see this right here, so if you have followed me and you know what this is, let me know. If you know what this is, if you ever see it before, if you ever use it before, you see me, let me know. Be a girl done fuck. Pops said, no, I pray. What you talking about a million times now? Yes, but I'm never sure. Yes, I don't know where to get it. Okay. Alright, so at Jamaica, you can just search the hashtag we say the hashtag powerful sex JA. You can search a hashtag there, you can find different vendors in Jamaica we sell it. But you see this this I one of my top seller them. It's organic, you know, natural, fully. You see me? And it help with a whole heap of things. Yeah, this is something a woman fi take like a daily vitamin. It good for acid reflux. How that them call it? Acid reflux. It good for fucking constipation, all types of shit. Constipation, weight loss. Yeah, trust me. But most of all, it kickstart your slippery glands. Your slippery glands, you have some in your, you have slippery glands in your pussy, in your throat, shit like in your throat, shit like that. This shit make your pussy soaking wet and have kind of like a jelly kind of feel. You see me? You know that gooey kind of wetness there. That's what this do. You know, some girl wet, but this is a different wet. This make you wet and gooey and nice. What you say bye? Come talk to me. Why you put laugh and bye? You tell me something more I don't know? Know what you say before you talk. Make sure you do your research before you talk. Oh, I guess I don't have nothing to say. Anyway. So, moving along. Yeah, where Pops there? Pops, you still there? Oh, Blazer. Blazer in our building. Oh, Blazer. Let's talk about Blazer for a little bit. Now, Blazer. Say, you know, say, me dey live on Mount Vernon one time, right? Used to par with Dirty Blazer and Blacks. Blazer did have one, Shani, I pray. Blazer did have one of them caravan that will look like the mystery van in a Scooby-Doo. We used to call Blazer van the mystery van. Blazer have beer food in a van. You go in a food, water, drinks, everything in a van by case. Him have them in a van. Right? Oprah, what go on? War van your bum buckler, the mystery van. Right? And so you see, if you take the slippery pill and you're itchy, that means you're allergic to it. So just stop taking. Right? So Blaze on a little mystery van now. See, there have one girl at Bronx who want to fuck me till she short. But me not like girl with fucky. And me if be the only one with fucky. You see me I say? Girls with fucky, me turn off by them. So, here Blazer, Lord God, here I know. Me I talk. So, and me if be the only one fucky in a equation. Me I like fucky girl. So, girl fucky and she want to fuck me. And me I ignore her, me I go around her. Right? What do you mean I got to listen to my customer? Didn't hear her there? So, girl want to fuck me and me I go around the girl. No, me not depend that. I say, you know, say, me nah do this. Me not like them kind of girl, yeah. in our real life. So, one day, blacks link me and say, yo, we go one party. And even Blazer come get me in a mystery van. See, so woman go on party over Queens in a mystery van there. You see me? And when we reach over there, I see the girl there. And them start par with the girl. Me I say, yo, Chano dog. Anyway, we just did a party and a par. You see Blazer laugh? We did a party and a par. When the party done, the girl come in a mystery van. Come sit down. She sit down side of me and sit down in my lap. Sitting like I don't even know. But come sit down close to me. I'm stressed out. I say, yo, the fuck this. Alright? Anyway. Me live the furthest. Me live in a Mount Vernon and the man them drive past Bronx. Man them drive past Bronx and drive all the way to Mount Vernon to drop off me first. You see when we reach a me yard, I'm jump out of a mystery van. When me look, me hear the door slide lock behind me. And the car drive off. When me look at the girl that the man them set me up. Make the girl come out of the vehicle. Man them deliberately drop me off first. And make the girl come out of the vehicle back at me and drive off fast. Him and blacks. You see me? Yeah, I'm a frost too. Yeah, I'm a frost like that. Me I say, bumbo clot. See some woman go in her house with the girl. Me I say, bumbo clot. Yo, Chano, man, them set me up. Now, me and this girl in my house, if me and her in my house and she strip down and day in her bed, me have to go fuck it now? What me I go do? You see me? Blood clot, me ain't up fuck the girl, dog. And no, me not come up to today. Cause I never want to do it. Me just a stab. Stress out. Up to now, me regret that. Blazer and blacks. The next, later down in the evening, them link me and beer laugh, them a laugh. Them set up the whole play. Blazer and blacks. Bad. Blazer laugh. Yo, the man is easy, the dog. Man said, girl have the time of her life. Walk go on Barbie. Pretty Barbie. They miss a whole heap of things. Man, them a wicked dinero. And them know say me never want to do it. Junior and a bother with that something there. The whole of we rich. Rich is a relative word. You know? Rich is a relative word. Rich is whatever rich mean to you. You see me I say, so if you make $100 a day and you ain't need and nothing, you feel good, you feel happy with this $100 a day and you can get whatever you want, then you're rich. You see me? Girl say, thanks Blazer. Yo, Blazer, fuck you, dog. Blazer said the girl said tax. Yeah, joke this. Yo. Yo. Tierra. On the Instagram page, right? Just a while ago. What did it say? Lincoln3dot going live, right? Lincoln3dot. It never said.